Video I will show you how to display pop-up newsletter using Mailchimp. So let's start. First of all, click on audience from sidebar. Then I will click on sign up forms. We have different options like form builder, embedded forms, pop-up and contact form, etc. I will choose pop-up. After selecting pop-up, now we can edit it, style it, choose layout and change settings. In style, you can change font, colors and font size. In layout, there are multiple options of different designs. And in setting, you can change opacity, choose time when to show pop-up. I will choose immediately. You can also change position. I will select model. After making these changes, click on save and publish. When you click on publish, it will ask you to integrate your website. I will simply enter URL of my website. Click on get started. Copy this code and paste in head element of your website. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.